everyone. Sandhya here from EQ Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And we have Mr. Tarang Khurana, sir, Director of Icon Solar. Hi, sir.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, sir. So, today we are an event, right? So, before talking about the event, of course, please introduce yourself and also about the company.
So, Icon Solar is a 10-year-old manufacturing company based out of Raipur in Chhattisgarh. We've been privileged to service Bharat across the different suppliers of modules for distributed energy projects, megawatt scale projects as well, and have successfully satisfied customers across 21 states.
Wow, super. And how the event is going on and what are the products you've displayed here?
So the event is a good change from Hyderabad to Chennai this time around. Typically at this time we are in Hyderabad, but now with the Renew Expo coming to Chennai, I think it's a new opportunity to explore another market. The Tamil Nadu market is fast growing and we only hope to strengthen our products and our suppliers over here. On Showcase, we have both of our range, which is the Monoperk, as well as the entire TopCon range.
Super. And what's the view and about the opportunities in the cell manufacturing, the growth and all? You can share a few words about that.
So cell manufacturing is going to be a critical component of the Indian solar manufacturing space in the future. As a key role in the entire ecosystem, I think all of us will be moving towards cell manufacturing. ICANN as well is exploring avenues in the same space, and you'll be hearing some details very soon.
Sure. And what are the new products you are planned to launch this year?
So this year we'll be launching our G12R and the G2G modules. We already have the entire TopCons that are available with the transparent backsheet. But within the next 3 months, we'll have both the glass-to-glass as well as the G12R modules.
Super. And how about the opportunities for the export?
This August, we will be commissioning a new 2 gigawatt module manufacturing line, which will also be significantly driven by exports market. We are looking forward to servicing predominantly South Asia and Africa to start with.
Wow, great. And last, so what are the major key points or elements you want to share with the people of the solar industry?
I think for people in the solar industry across the board, this is a very crucial juncture for the solar industry at large. From the time of maturing to coming up to now, it is a time of stability and growth that we are all in, but also to be responsible. The panels that we make, the services that we offer have to service the clients for the long term. So let us take the responsibility to ensure that we always follow the highest quality standards so that the trust in the solar industry is maintained.
Super. And last, one more thing. How you want to differentiate other companies from the icon? There should be something, right? So we want.
I think with Icon, it's always been the trust of the people that we've enjoyed. 2014, when we started, there were a handful of companies who were in this segment. Over the last 10 to 11 years, we've built a very strong customer base, along with that, a very reliable supply chain. So people know that when it comes to Icon, quality is assured. There is absolutely no compromise, and we'll only deliver above and beyond.
Sure, sir. And all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.